I can make withered Freddy gacha online. This wasn't that hard at all. It was just the easiest, but okay. Real hair 661. $3,162. It's that one. $3,163 for the jaw. Sleeve 73. Scarf 19. Face AC 29. I used it for, oh wait, not that 41. I used 41 this for the same. Also, this is the same 41. I used it for that too. Shirt 7. Pants 23. Shoe 4,122. Drop 25. Eyes 33. Back, no, cape 40. Hat 4,763. And I think that's it. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Alright, here's the color. It's the same as Freddy, so just copy it. Here's the outline. Copy it. Copy it. Copy it. No. You can paste this. Just copy this, because this is the face. This is the skin. So you're done.